Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am at a friend's house. No, it's on me. And we are having a little get together after Christmas. The day after Christmas. Guys, here is the little nibbles on the table. And that's Tony over there. And Jeff and his wife.
Christmas stocking. Come in on the 25th.
And I've got people coming from Melbourne on the 9th.
And there's a barbecue area.
Wakey, can you just pack your bed up and move all the furniture out of the room?
And that's their garden. And this is heater to warm us up. Say hello to all the subscribers.
I'll take a look at one.
Huh? What? And guys, this is
Hi, darling.
I love her so much.
I love her too much too.
And this is
I'm getting old now.
no, you're not old. This is the bar. We don't want a copyright, so I'm gonna come out here. Getting cranky because I take long to get ready.
Oh, no present.
You know the best part about getting old?
What?
People don't pay much attention. Now it's normal to get pregnant when you get older.
I'm gonna open my present, guys. I got present. So
Only something small.
it's okay. So guys, I'm using one hand because I want everybody to see what I get in my present. Oh, this looks nice. Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's two little toggles in there.
This is nice. I love the blue. And ooh, this is nice.
Now there's two toggles in there.
Oh, this is for my
They fit.
hair.
When you put it around your neck, that
Yeah.
slides up onto the pink and that slides up onto the
Oh, that's nice. So we can wear. I can wear this around my neck, guys. I'm gonna try it and let you see. So guys, this is what scarf look like, and you put this around it. At first, I thought this was for my hair, but then now I learned something new. So thank you so much. Thank you. Tony has been unruly. He pulled his present before I said to put it.
It's just the way they react.
He's a very unruly grandpa. That's Joanne and Crystal. Say hello to all the subscribers, guys.
Hey fam! Welcome to my video. I'm making some cheese and crackers.
Choose the cheesy one.
I never would have guessed.
Choose the cheesy one.
And
This one
they're
here is the quiet one.
the beautiful grandma
Oh
here.
god, yeah,
Here
right.
we go.
Hey, having my
Look out,
photograph taken.
she's after something.
So guys,
This is why we're late. From a mirror.
so guys,
Oh, we'll be there. No, we won't. We'll be there about half past one now.
They're corn.
What?
They're corn. You've not tasted it yet.
What are they?
They're corn. There's corn. They're corn. Can you
Oh.
taste one, babe?
this is corn.
Yeah,
Okay,
Corn. Cool.
really,
corn.
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 Mm.
Smell of it.
Have a sausage.
Mm.
A chapati.
Do you
It
want
tastes good.
chapati?
Chapati.
Do you want
Corn tastes good. Mm-mm.
What am I doing? Come on.
all she's
I'm
doing
placing
is,
things
all
in my
she's
mouth
doing
and
is
chewing and
eating
swallowing it. Must be
she's
food.
eating cucumber, tomatoes and grapes. That's all she's eating.
Bombada.
Mm-mm.
Whatever that's called.
Mortadella.
Yeah, that thing.
What the bell?
Did you have one of them?
What?
That was mortadella.
Yeah.
They're too hot.
You don't like the cheese?
Mm-hmm.
It's most probably because it's
Bella,
And I said to her,
come here, darling.
I said I'd rather deal with 16
How are you?
year-olds, 'cause
So
these
guys,
kids,
this
they're
is Bella.
everywhere. They're like little, "Where's that going?"
Hello.
Oh, but shut up.
I loved it. I
Cute.
had a great time with the guy.
Hi, Bella. Hi,
Well,
Bella.
that's where I learned. We used to play ship to shore inside of rainy night, couldn't go outside, so play ship to shore. So the scoutmaster would yell out,
So
you know,
guys,
starboard,
we're
port,
still
you have to
having
run the
lunch.
bow, stern. So
Tea.
you learn all of that.
There we go.
Because someone said to me, how do you remember that the port side's the left side? I said, it's like,
good
port,
though, 'cause I
it's
can
like a
see,
storm.
like, if
You're always a little bit left. Little winner. What was that? 1973, I reckon. Went on a jamboree at Woodhouse. Then I went on adventures. They call it adventures. Jamboree. Children 16.
Doing video.
Of course, we get that out here.
Tony is rude right
That
now.
one done.
As opposed to when.
This one.
You get a picture of my ear roll. Hey, I went to have a haircut at Willen. First time in my life this has ever happened. Well, the guy goes, "Do you want me to wax?" I'm thinking, "What, with the door open?" I don't think so. People walking past. I'm going, "I don't wear a bikini, mate, so I don't think I want to wax you." You know? He goes, "No, your ears and your nose." And I'm going, "Nose?" And I'm going, "I haven't got any hair on the outside of it." And he goes, "No, inside." I go, "Are you dreaming?" I said, "You know when you get like, you pull one hair,
Yeah.
I go, you
Yeah.
know?" And he goes, "No, I put," I'm going, no, I don't think so." I said, "You can do the ear though." But he said, I was sitting there having a haircut and I got this wax in my ear with these two sticks sticking out like this. And he put it on the ear.
Did he burn the ends?
No, it looked like it was going to light me up, you know? A bit of incense in the room. So he's done the haircut, trimmed around, shaved the back of my neck, whatever. And he's pulled off the bits here, where they normally get a few hair. Yeah, I don't know. Got all these. I thought, bloody hell, it's like like a strainer post coming out on a farm. He's like, ooh, out it comes, and he goes, "I go nuts, mate. I don't want to look at that. Get it away from me, thanks very much."
Why did he do that?
Oh, he goes, because that's how we get, normally they just go, and cut it down. He
So
goes,
it
"No,
wasn't
put
good,
it-
Tony?
Eventually I'll stop growing back.
It wasn't good?
What?
It wasn't good?
No, I didn't enjoy it.
Oh
How
my
much did
god.
he charge you for your haircut?
$25.
That's
That's
reasonable.
not bad. That's a rip-off.
Yeah, with a wax job.
Not bad for wax.
So guys, this video is almost come to an end. We are wrapping up now. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I am a bit, what did I say? A bit hot and tired. Guys, we're gonna go home now. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Guys, we are saying bye-bye. So give a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
See you in the next video, guys. Bye. Oh, look at the fog on the road, guys. We are going home.
7 o'clock at night in summer and it's foggy.